Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Google Maps. For that, just go and open your source browser. You can use any browser of your choice. I'm just using Google browser, and tap on your source button, and there you need to enter co/recover, and it will take you to a website where you need to enter your email address or phone number. If you remember your email address, just enter it there, and if you don't, tap on forgot email, and it will ask you to enter your phone number and tap on next button, and then it will have to verify you. If you remember your password, just enter it over there, but if you don't remember it, just simply tap on forgot password, and then it will verify you using your face ID, or it could also send code on your phone number or link on your secondary email, and after entering that code you'll be able to reset your password, and after resetting you can simply sign in into your Google Apps. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.